With your new home, just a short drive away, Paradise Lake, a place that truly lives up to its name.
In your body, I'm grabbing your enjoying the moment, cause life moving fast. I'm looking forward, ignoring the past. These are the times that we'll laugh looking back. I'm getting lucky like coins in a well. Goodbye.
If you like family-owned businesses and locally sourced coffee, Lo-Fi Cafe is the place for you. It's just a quick drive right up the street.
Late nights in the city causing hell. Burn this.
Welcome to 4745 Xanadu Way. 5 private acres designed for comfort, creativity, and calm.
Let's go to.
Step inside this home where light pours through every window and open living spaces make entertaining easy. Outside, the expansive deck stretches the full length of the home, perfect for morning coffee or evening sunset. Need room to grow? There's space here for horses, gardens, or even an ADU for multi-generational living.
I'm feeling it, my eyes where the ceiling is.
And with Chico just minutes away, you'll have the best of both worlds. Peaceful country living and city convenience. Paradise Lake, 250 acres of glassy water surrounded by pines. Perfect for morning walk, quiet reflection, or a kayak at sunset. Life here is peaceful, connected, and close to nature.
If I get to the promise, you'll hold me down.
Downtown Paradise has that small town charm you can't fake. Places where neighbors meet, plans are made, and your mornings start a little slower. One of the best parts of living in Paradise is the balance, serenity at home, and just 25 minutes to Chico for restaurants, shopping, or catching a Wildcats game. You get connection without congestion. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle waiting for you in Paradise.